Good morning, everybody. This is going to be a quick video on how to add an indicator into your trading view through the Pine script. Very simply, specifically for this indicator that I told you guys I would post, you're going to want to highlight everything, right click, and you're going to want to click copy. Then you're going to go into your trading view. Let me close this so I can show you how to get to it from the very beginning. You're going to want to come down here to the bottom left and click Pine script. I'm sorry, stock screener. Let's see. Nope, I was right the first time. Click Pine script, and that is going to open a window. There may or may not be something in there, depending on what you've done previously. However, if you just highlight everything in there and you can delete it, or you can open editor in a new window, open editor in a new tab. So I'm just going to click open editor in a new window. And then I will erase all of this. Delete that. Now you can actually, you know what? Let's make sure I'm on the right tab, training. Yes, and I'm just going to do this. I'm just going to clear everything out of here instead of putting it in a new tab, because that actually adds an extra step that you guys would have to go to in order to get it into a working spot. So I'm just going to cut everything there. I'm going to go back to Slack and make sure that I still have that copied on my clipboard. Then I'm just going to right click, paste it in here. Here is your script. And then watch right up here. When I come down here and I click add to chart, everything is working the way it should be. It adds it to my chart. Here's a 3MA to SMA. I can open this up. I've got visibility, I've got style, and I've got inputs. So I can select my inputs, whether I want it to be 10, 20, 50 EMAs, which is what we use, which is what you guys were asking for, 100, 200, but you do have the ability to change these if you want. You can change your colors, which obviously you can set these up to whatever color scheme you want. These are just default colors. And then you can pick whether your labels are on your scale or values are on your status line. Pretty typical stuff for most EMAs. You click OK. And then if you come over here, you can click unscripted or untitled script. Click save. It's going to save it as a 3 exponential. Then you can star it, which adds it to your favorites, and you can save it. Now it will appear up here. 3 exponential moving average, 2 SMAs. This is a previous version I was working on as a test. So as you can see, here's the one right there. So you'll always have it available. And that should do it. If you have any questions or any issues with it, let me know. Thanks, guys.